I'm going to show you 5 PrizePick promo codes you shouldn't miss. Now, you can do this from a external website, but I do prefer it from the official PrizePick website here. If you go to the upper section here and promos, you can see there's a couple of promos you can do. I'm going to talk about 5 of them. First off, there's the daily PrizePick promo codes. Now, on the daily PrizePick promo codes, TLP right now is Max Bonus, and this one will give you $50. You can see you can enter in the promo code here. It'll be on your sign up here. You can watch all of it or read all of the actual directions here. The next one I'm going to show you is called recurring promos, right? So it'll happen very often. So the 2 recurring promos that are available right now is called Taco Tuesday. This is this one, Taco Tuesday. Now on Taco Tuesday, this is what it will look like. It's a weekly daily fantasy sports promo. And then the next one is Flex Friday. Obviously, Taco Tuesday and Flex Friday happen every Tuesday or every Friday here, right? So right now, this is Flex Friday here. So that's 3. Now, there's also referral codes here, right? So if you have a friend that plays PrizePick, you can get a referral code from them. And then if you enter in the referral code, you'll get a small bonus as well. That's also reboots here. So for example, reboots. Now on the reboots, this is what it will look like. It's protecting your picks from the unpredictable. The last one is a recurring promos, is the one we just talked about. So there'll be PrizePick promo codes, there'll be daily, and then reboots, Taco Tuesday, Flex Friday, and also a referral code. You shouldn't miss any of these promo codes.